everybody, I've been sent another gift from All Technic. So All Technic, thank you for sending me this. I'm looking forward to reviewing it. As always, I always give an honest opinion. We've got another Chefree. Now the other Chefree I've got is absolutely superb and I love it. So I'm hoping this one will be just as good. It's the Chefree AFW01. Let's open it up and let's have a look. Right, as I say guys, it's a Chefree AFW01 air fryer. Temperature range 80 degrees to 200. Power off protection. It's got a visual window so you can see your food being cooked. It's got a built-in light. It's got a 5 litre capacity and a 1500 high power wattage. So we'll open it up. So the first thing I noticed, it is very, very light. Very light. So we're going to open it up and we're going to have a look. See if I can grab it without knocking the camera. There it is. Give me 1 second guys. And we'll have a look at it together for the first time, eh? There we go. First impressions. Let's move all this out of the way. First impressions. Okay. Zoom in for you. There we go. Air fryer air fryer, bake, air roast, grill, a reheat and a dehydrate. I've never used that dehydrate before. I don't know whether people do or not. Looks quite nice, doesn't it, that? Looks nice and stylish, as they say. Let's have a look at the thing. Okay, got some else in here. There's the basket. It's quite a long basket, if you can see. I don't know if it shows it justice on the camera, but it's quite a long basket, that. Your crisper plate. Push that down, that's a good fit, that. And this, whatever this is, it looks like some sort of rack. It's a toaster rack. So you can do toast in it then as well. Okay. Right, I'm going to read the instructions, guys. Tell you what, first thing to do, before I read the instructions, we will get it turned on to get rid of that smell. Turn it on and we will have a look. So we got, there's the light. Oh yeah, you can see the light in there. I don't know if you can see it there. Bring it down and I'll show you. There's the light, look. You can see the light in the side. Okay, there's the light. So turn that. There you see without the light. Look, you can see the difference on the lighting. Like a little oven in it. I've never seen one of them air fryers like this with a light on it before. So air fry. So how do we work this then? It goes up to 200 degrees. Yeah, it goes up to 200 degrees. And what I'm just going to let it do its thing for 5 minutes, just to get rid of that smell. And I'm going to read the instructions. Right, I've had a look at the instructions, guys. Quite straightforward. What you do, I've washed it after I've let it burn for about 15 minutes. Then I'll give it a wash. Let it cool down a minute. What you do, you just turn it on. It always comes to 175 to start with. Then you press your little symbol down there. And then that's like air fryer and just press it across. Bake or air roast or grill. Now I'm going to do grill first because I want to try a bit of that toast in there. So I'm going to get myself some bread. And a couple of pieces of bread in there. Doing a bit high. Right, yeah, so we'll do... turn it back on. Put the grill on. It's like everything, can it? You learn as you go. And it says 6 minutes. You find the instructions. I don't know if you can see that. It says 6 minutes in the grill, minimum light, so we'll leave it for 6 minutes. Up to 60 obviously. But we'll leave it 5 or 6 minutes and I'll have a look anyway and we'll see. I mean, I must admit it's also very quiet. I put the light on so I can see. In the instructions it says the light stays on for 1 minute and automatically goes off. But that's a nice little handy tool in it, I suppose, that. It's been 2 minutes, so I'm just going to check, because I'm not sure how long it takes. Oh, it's starting to brown up now, look. Just starting. That's been 2 minutes. Toast. Done. There's the toast, guys. That's done. What I did do wrong with the toaster, I did it the wrong way around. So I've turned it round and it fits in perfect. Well, there's the toast. It's okay, isn't it? Toaster. Right, on to the next one. I'll give it a little bit of a wash, cleaned it out a little bit. Now I'm going to do these. Hot and spicy chicken wings. Never had them before either. Looking nice. We're going to get them in the air fryer. And this time I'm going to use the air fry bit. Start. And we'll see how we get on with them. And in the meantime, I'm going to have a bit of toast. Yeah, there's the toast. It's a little bit of a struggle to get it out of that basket thing, because the basket's obviously hot, isn't it? So you just have to be a bit careful. Use some tongs or something like I did. Dipped in a nice cup of tea, be bang on. I don't know if you can hear that. I just had to check it was on. I couldn't even hear it on. Couldn't hear it at all. I'm just making myself a cup of tea to have with me toast to dip in, and I couldn't even hear it. And there's the chicken, guys. Yeah, crispy toppings, look. Flaking away. Okay. So next, I'm going to do, let them cool down before I try them. Next, I'm going to wash that back up. And I'm going to do some fries. French fries in. I mean, that box is really big, you know. I must admit that the basket is really big. And we're going to air fry them as well. Turn it on, it's out, wouldn't it? Air fry 200 degrees. Right, while them fries are doing, guys, let's try a spicy chicken. Hot and spicy, I think it was, wasn't it? Juicy. Just feeling the kick now on it as well. They're not too bad. Not really, really hot. Okay. Wait for the fries to be done. Let's put the lights on and have a look. There we go. I say there'll be a link in the description with a discount code if anyone's interested. Them chickens took about 18 minutes, I don't think I told you. And the fries have been in now for 6. So the fries will be a bit longer. Right, the fries have been in 9 minutes, guys, and they're done. I say when I talk about the size of this basket, I mean it's massive. It is really big. I mean there's a plate full of chips there, look. And I only covered the bottom of the basket. I've still got a couple stuck at the bottom there and all. Look. There's a full plate load there, look, and I just about covered the bottom. So you get quite a lot of chips in there. And there's the fries. A little bit of salt. Job's a good one. Yeah, so there we go, guys. Chefree, what is it? AFW01. Link in the description. There'll be a discount code. I'm not quite sure what it is yet. Until the video goes up and then you'll know what it is. Good little machine, as I say. Took them chickens 18 minutes. Fries 9. The toast, I think it was 3 or 4. Yeah, so all in all, Chefree, there it is. Let me see if I can show you. It's cooled down a bit now, so don't worry. Quite a good little machine, and there's a couple of times I had to check to see if it was on, because it was that quiet. You're talking normally in the kitchen, and you couldn't even hear it. And I kept looking to see if the buttons were on and putting the drawer out to check, because it's really quiet. So there we go, Chefree I forgot what it's called, AFW01. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye.